roof?
I got a good windshield. It's starting to stay that way, damn it.
Back. You're fine.
One time there was a real big dust front with the too. It would start going.
And you're sure hail can't come through this roof?
It has hail for a long time. They drop bowling balls on a roof like this, honey.